The father is the sun, the mother is the moon, and the light they mutually shed on their kids make them brighter stars against a very dark night. With these words, welcome you all to ABS Creations by your educationalist Chandrakala. Stop every now and then. Just stop and enjoy. Take a deep breath. Relax and take the sun and moon, that is dad and mom, in the abundance of life, an educational channel with moral values. Before proceeding to the video, click the icon button to subscribe the channel and receive the notification. Thank you. This video is dedicated to all our parents who are the nature's gift for us. I thought of sharing the nature's beauty of sunrise, sunset, and the hidden nature of the moon, which I observed and felt happiness and joyfulness with peaceful in my heart and mind. When I captured the sunrise, I felt the joy of happiness that Dad has given me always new opportunity for living a better life, guiding me at all times and supporting me forever. Yesterday morning, when I went to terrace, I saw a beautiful sunrise, capturing my heart and mind, and my hands automatically started capturing it, which made me relax in this present mechanical world. And when the sun sets, it reminds me, no matter where I am, but at the end of the day, I have to get back home on time, as mom and dad wait for me on the doorstep to see me. At once, when they saw me, I can feel their happiness and joyness in their face. Today morning, I was awake by 3:30 a.m. and I just opened my window and peeped outside. When I saw outside, my eyes were attracted towards the moon. Immediately, I took my mobile and captured the beauty of moon. It is a beautiful and delightful sight to behold the body of the moon. While I was enjoying the beautiful occurrence of moon, I felt mother is like a moon. Every mother is like the moon. Her feelings and sadness are unknown to everyone and can only see a smile on her face, like a brighter side of the moon. Even in the darkest of the night, there is a hope. As the moon lights our path, so does hope light our way. அவன் எவ்வளவு அழகா வரு. Just see the nature's beauty, just like our mother. Even in the darkness of night, there is a hope. As the moon lights our path, so does a hope light our way. Honor your parents in your heart. Bear them not only honor and respect, but kindness and affection. Always love and respect your parents, and whatever they do for you, appreciate all the things they have done for you, because they sacrificed all their life for making you happy and successful in your life. If you like this video, comment it, share it, and subscribe it. Thank you.